In this video, we'll see together when to use the tenses in French, and especially for this video, it will be le présent de l'indicatif. Le présent de l'indicatif, we are using it a lot. It's usually the first tense that we will discover when we learn French, so it's extremely important. Normally, we will use le présent de l'indicatif to express, describe a present action, or then an action that was started in the past but is still continuing. Or then we can also use le présent de l'indicatif to express an event that will happen in the near future. So let's have, well, a few examples. First one, je vais au travail. Je vais au travail. Well, in that situation, the verb is aller. We conjugate it in the present form, je vais. And it's clearly connected to this concept. It describes a present action. Je vais au travail. Second sentence. Je finis mon travail et je suis à toi. So the verb is finir. You conjugate it in the present tense. Je finis mon travail et je suis, it's être in that case, à toi. So as you can see in this sentence, je finis mon travail, we have the feeling that it started before. It started in the past and it's still continuing. Je finis mon travail. Third example, je vais partir en vacances demain matin. So in that situation, as you can see, the verb is aller, je vais, but when we use it, and after that we put another verb in the infinitive form, this is what we call this near future concept. Je vais partir. And by constructing this thing, we express an event that will happen in the near future. Je vais partir en vacances demain matin. So, je vais au travail, present action. Je finis mon travail et je suis à toi, something that started in the past but is still continuing. Je vais partir en vacances demain matin. It's the near future. And for all these concepts, I mean, we can use le présent de l'indicatif. We also can use le présent de l'indicatif to describe a state or then a routine action. So let's have a look at the state. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. This classic thing. The verb is faire. It's conjugated in third person of the present. Here, il fait beau aujourd'hui. So of course you're talking about the weather, so you're talking about a state. Then after that, a routine action. Je fais du sport tous les matins. So it's actually quite interesting in that situation. We still have the verb faire, first person of the singular, je fais, but we use it in the present to express something that happens every morning. So it's a routine action. Je fais du sport tous les matins. So one more time. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. Talking about the state. Je fais du sport tous les matins. We're talking about the routine actions. And for these two things, well, you will have to use le présent de l'indicatif.